think you did. Push did.
अच्छा दे.
Bye bye. Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and this is me, Tirren Lemtur, and I'm 6 years old, and I am a cuber.
Oh, you're a cuber?
Yes.
Can you fix the cube?
Yes.
Okay, let's try. Go ahead.
I don't know how to say it.
Oh, let's fix that. Okay, this one, okay? 3 by 3 cube, okay?
Is it soft or rough?
Soft one.
Sometimes breaks.
Go forward and hard. Scramble it, It's been very long time now. You have not fixed it. Okay. Ready? After this, we'll fix a triangle. Okay? Oh, first. Wait. Let's first fix this one. Triangle cube. Ready?
Yes.
Okay. When I say 1, 2, 3, you start. Okay. Okay, we'll show this one afterwards.
Yes.
Okay, first cube.
This is a special cube which you'll never see.
Well, show me. Show to your friends.
At the last one.
Chala, at the end of the video.
Yes.
Okay.
But this is a blue cube, but I don't know how to fix it.
Oh, you have not learned yet?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma. Can you learn on? This is 3 by 3. Ready?
Yes.
1. Don't look here, okay? Just look there, okay? And do it fast, okay? 1, 2, 3.
바람이 불어온 그 밤에 꺼지냈던 조각들이 난 떠올라 순간에 falling down 감추려 애썼던 마음 다 들킬까봐 도망가 버렸지 깊은 밤 잠든 널 내 안에 담아두고 있어 언제까지나 it's alright 내 안에 너만을 기억할 수 있는 순간이 바로 지금이야 Take me back 그 밤을 되돌리고 싶어 내가 지키려 했던 모든 건 다 부서져 버렸어 정말 It's alright 내 숨겨왔던 비밀을 하늘에 고이 담았어 It's alright 오랜 내 맘도 씻겨 너와의 기억들 모두 이미 지나간 일인걸 좋았던 기억이 이제 남아있지가 않아 언제까지나 it's alright 후회는 없다고 다짐했던 나 정말 바보 같았단 걸 알아 Take me back 그 밤에 되돌리고 싶어 내가
Did it well.
지키려
High five.
했던
Now
모든
next,
건 다
let's
부서져
try fixing one.
버렸어 정말 It's alright 내
Tell your friends what it is.
숨겨왔던 비밀을 하늘에 고이 담았어 It's
Pyramid
alright
cube. Okay, how about we scramble?
Because I'm sorry.
Ready? Look at the left.
It's gonna be
What color is it?
It's alright 조각 나버린 하늘 무너져버린 내 가슴이 멍들어 Oh baby
Okay.
다시 이런 사랑하지 않을래 내 맘도 무뎌져 가겠지 Take me back 그 밤에 되돌리고 싶어 내가 지키려
So this is
했던
all scrambled,
모든
okay?
건 다 부서져
Ready?
버렸어 정말 It's alright 내
What cube is
숨겨왔던
that?
비밀을 하늘에 고이
Okay.
담았어
Come in the middle.
It's alright
Okay. Jello.
It's alright.
1, 2, 3.
오늘은 하늘이 아주 파래 나의 앞에 있는 네 모습도 눈부시기만 해 세상은 따뜻해 나의 곁에 있는 너로 변하지 않는 네 모습으로 난 늘 행복해 우리 같이 한 시간들 때론 힘든 적도 있어 그래도 우린 늘 웃어주고 이해했잖아 때로는
Wow. Great. It's so fast, so quick.
Yes.
Yes.
But these are the 50 cubes, but you can also think this.
Okay, now what cube is this? Show to your friends. Newton cube kita kinala.
This is 3, this is also 3. But these two and also these two are the Rubik's Cube. Look, there's also this. Upside down triangle is also a upside down centerpiece. And look, you can even move this part here and here. Okay,
Okay. Now let's try this one.
it's just the end.
Yeah, the end.
Okay,
What is that? What cube is that?
very special.
Special cube?
You're not going to see this. Okay, close your eyes.
Okay. Show. Ayo go.
Just close your eyes like the finger in here. Okay.
1.
2, 3. Open your eyes.
Ayo cube.
This is infinity cube. Is made of it. Crumple, and stick. It says you can just play with this.
Just play with that.
Yes.
So do you like cubes?
Yes.
It's so good. Wow.
Even you can make any designs of the shape.
Okay.
Like this.
Okay.
Like this. Like this.
Okay. So thank you so much, Tirren. Thank you, day. Acha day.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Okay, they will like and subscribe your channel. Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you, day. Push.
Acha day.
Bye-bye.
Bye.